To facilitate grading of these step-by-step patch creation tutorials, we've created a KONTAKT script which will generate a kind of fingerprint or profile of your KONTAKT patch and export a text file. That text file will then be uploaded at the end of the session so that we can grade your project. So what we're going to do right now is a procedure to add that script to your KONTAKT custom scripts and show you how to export these text files so that we can grade your work in an efficient manner. So with your completed patch here, I'll have you go to the script editor and go down to the edit button, and you'll see an area where we can put in text. We can actually type information in here. We can put a custom script in. You're going to download the Cadenza KONTAKT script and open it in any text editor. This is a KONTAKT script. It's kind of a programming language that allows us to make very complex interfaces for KONTAKT and actually have KONTAKT do a variety of really interesting things. It's one of the more, I find, compelling aspects of KONTAKT, and we'll look at making our own scripts in the final session of this course. For now, we'll just look at copying and pasting into the script library. Once you have that script opened in text editor, I want you to select everything in it. So the whole thing, make sure you get every bit of text that's in it. It's quite an involved script. Make sure the last little bit is end on. And we'll copy all that, and then we're going to paste it into the script editor. So we see that whole script is now in there. We're going to give it a title, which is going to be Cadenza Grading Script. And we'll hit Apply. Once we do that, we'll see a button, Cadenza Export, pop up right there. But before we use that, I want to save this script into our custom library. We'll go to Preset, Save Preset, and again we'll call this Cadenza Grader Script. I can close up my text editor now. Now all that's a task you'll only have to do once, because now it's in your custom library. I can go to Preset, User, and I'll see Cadenza Grader Script right there. I have a bunch of other ones from other things that I've created, but we see Cadenza Grader Script is right there. Your list will probably be smaller. Now, once you've finished a patch, and we'll do this numerous times throughout the course, you'll hit the Cadenza Export button. And you can put this somewhere on your computer. You're going to create a variety of these. I've created a folder called My Cadenza Grading Files, and you can export your kind of snapshots into here. I'm going to name this similar to the file itself. Now, the important thing is S2V2. You're going to have to submit these text files later in the class. So let's call this Cadenza Grader, but make sure we include S2V2 in the name. If we look at that file, it's going to be Cadenza Grader S2V2.nka. That's an array of all the details about your patch, and you'll be required to submit these at the end of the session.